Hello, awesome educators. This is Jason Fleur, your Ed Tech coach, and this weekly Tech Bite, we're going to talk about my new favorite AI system, and it's actually in Canva, of all places. So if you're not familiar, log on to Canva, and then, so notice you're probably familiar with your designs. Maybe you've gone to your templates. Well, now there's a new one, Canva AI. So you're going to click that. And so this is Canva's AI. So it creates or takes the power of an LLM, a large language model. We're familiar with different ones of those, and the interactivity of Canva. And so the big phrase to have it make interactive content is, we got to start off with, is this. Can you make an interactive ... And so you'll hit the rest of that there. Can you make an interactive Jeopardy board on homeostasis for my biology class? Can you have a way to add teams and track scores? So notice here, we're starting off, I wanted to make an interactive Jeopardy board. I teach biology, so this is why I say that. If you're in a history class, you might do something a little differently. Can I have a way to add teams? So I want to add teams and then track scores. And so once we've done that, we're going to press submit and we'll see what happens. So it is thinking and it's going to start coding. So sorry, it does take a minute sometimes for it to think, but it is thinking and it's starting to code. So it's making all the code for this. So you don't need to know how to write code. It will do it for you. And so I'll be honest, for me, it's just really cool just to watch it work. And it'll keep working and working. And so for me, a lot of this stuff I would like to do, but I just would always run out of time. Great strategies. And so this gives me the ability to make this type of content that I would want, but I just don't honestly have the time to do. And so you can see right here, we've got our Jeopardy board. So team management. So let's add a team. We'll go with yep. I know, really creative and cool. I could probably use some better names on that. So there's our teams. And then so here's the different categories. So temperature regulation, blood sugar control, water balance, pH, feedback loops. So I have my different teams here. I can click on it and then I can have it show me the answer, or I could close it. And then I can award one of the teams the points. And if I scroll up, I'll notice they got the points there. So really cool feature here. And you saw how quickly I made that, right? So now both teams have points. Now, once I get to this point, I do need to do one other thing, which is I need to use it, or I need to put it into a design so I can actually use it. So I would click use in a design. And so in this case, I want to use it in a website. That way I can embed it into my Canvas page. So I'm waiting for it to load. And so now it's here in my Canvas page, or sorry, it's in a Canva. And so to put it into my Canvas page, I'm going to click here to share. And so right now, only I can access it. So I need to make it so anyone with the link can access it, but they're a viewer. And so I can either copy the link, so I can copy that link and I can put it in my Canva or Canvas page. Excuse me, sorry, I keep switching Canvas and Canva. Or the other option I can do is I can come down here to see all. I'm going to click on that, and I can click the embed code. And so it's going to, you can't create a private embed link, so make publicly embeddable. So once I do that, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on this copy. So I've copied it, and now I'm going to go to one of my Canvas pages. So I'm in Flora's Sandbox, and then what I'll do is I'm just going to put this as a page. And so notice this is my sandbox. This is where I test stuff. So Jeopardy board for homeostasis. And so there's a couple different ways I can do it. I can use this to embed the code. And so I'll submit it. And now that's in Canvas. There's a few other ways, but we're not going to worry about it. Then I push save and publish. And we'll wait just a second while it loads. And so now I've got this where I can use it in my Canvas class. So right there, and I can use this on my new line, for example, pull it up there, and my class can go through it. I hope this was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have a good day, guys.